G5 jet. I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
Welcome back, eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell. It's a pleasure to have you join us today. Now, Nillkin teamed up with eSIM Studios here and sent us a bunch of cases to review and some really cool accessories, right? So I do have an accessories set here for Nillkin cases and or your wireless charging device. If you have a phone that has the wireless charging enabled, whether it's MagSafe or even if it's not MagSafe, right? So if you have an iPhone, this will automatically work with no case. If you have an Android that has wireless charging, such as this S23 Ultra, simply slap on a Nillkin case and you will be good to go with this wireless charger. So what am I talking about? Well, sneak peek, boom. Wireless charger, SnapGrip magnetic ring holder. Got the phone, and I have a case, a Nillkin case here. We did a case review on. If you're interested in that, go ahead and see the video. I believe I uploaded it maybe 2 days ago. So you can check that out, the Frosted Shield Pro. But we're going to use this case on this phone with the ring already implemented inside of the case, and it'll snap on right there. And we will check. Well, we're going to test the wireless charging, see how fast, what it's rated at, how fast it charges, and all that good stuff. So now, this specific wireless charger I could not find on Amazon, right? But you can get it on Nillkin's website, right? So here we have, and I'll put a link in the description box below for this wireless charger. They have a cosmic gray color, which I believe this is the one that they sent us. And then they also have a whiter moon silver. It's like a very light silver, almost white. But they have those two options, right? If you're interested. So here are some of the pictures. As you can tell, let's see if we can find the white color. There we go. So it's more silver on the base and the shaft right here, the frame. And then the actual wireless charging pod is white. Very nice looking. Holds phones, small tablets. Maybe if you have an iPad or iPad mini, should be able to hold it. And as well as a small, I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So I don't think it'll fit that. But if you have anything maybe 13 inches or less tablet with wireless charging, it should be able to hold it just fine. And as you can tell, it folds up perfectly, right? Foldable design, made of aluminum alloy material, adjustable angle, magnetic align. So all you got to do is just get it close and it snaps right into place. Fast wireless charging. We'll get to that in a minute. A phone stand, so you can use it for two separate functions, right? So there you go. I'll put a link in the description box below. Nillkin gets their stuff out fast. I've ordered from their website in the past, and they it says fast delivery, and they're not lying. They certainly do get it out fast. So, all right, let's move this over here and see what we got, right? So here is the fast wireless charger. As you can tell from the website, folds up into a very nice slim form factor. It has grips. Actually, you know what? Did I not take off the plastic on here? I was like, you know, it's pretty grippy, but little did I know it could be even more grippy. There's one little sticker. Throw that to the side. And let me take these off as well. So it should be super grippy on any desk or kitchen table or countertop or wherever you're going to place this. Should be very sticky, sturdy, not move around, because you don't want it to move around, right? When you're grabbing your phone, the last thing you want is when you grab your phone, you actually push back the charger and your phone, right? Oh yeah, no, those are super grippy. Watch this. Well, I guess, let me see. Look, I'm moving my desk if y'all can't tell. Look how, can y'all see that? And I have a very secure desk. Wow, that's not going anywhere. Now I'm pushing down, and the more force you push down, the more sticky it's going to be. If you just lightly maneuver it, you can to move it around, but when you go and grab it, it'll stay still. So let's see, how far does it bend open? Does it go all the way? Wow. Basically, it goes, so that would be 180 degrees. Basically like 250, 240 degrees. So it doesn't do a complete 360 rotation, but it does just enough to where most people are gonna only need it to go 90 degrees, right? Or 45 degrees. But let's see, on the back, what is this rated at, right? Can we see that there? So we got the Nillkin MagStand wireless charging stand. Model NK1. What is it? Yeah, I'm getting old, I can't see. NKT11. It's rated at input 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts at 2 amps. Now, here's the key. This is where we get to the fast charging, right? Output is rated at 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, or 15 watts. Now, when you see that, you're like, okay, cool. So how do I know how many watts am I going to get to my device? Well, this is look, the wireless charging has been around for 10 years, right? 12 years. Back in the day, it would either be rated at 5 watts, 10 watts, and then 15 watts. Just one rating. Now we've kind of moved in. We haven't gone into wireless charging 2.0 yet. We're on the cusp of 2.0. However, this is sort of like 1.5, right? And it's a smart wireless charger because whatever the maximum amount that your device will allow, that's how fast this will give your device. Will charge your device at. So if you have an look, I don't know what iPhones charge at wirelessly maximum. Let's say this S23 Ultra charges at a maximum of 15 watts, and that's rated, the highest number is 15 watts on here. Then this will give you, once you put your S23 Ultra on there, it'll give you the maximum 15 watts of wireless charging power. Now, let's say you have an iPhone and they max out at 10 watts, right? So you throw your iPhone on there. This is smart and will give it only 10 watts. So whatever the maximum amount that your device allows, this will supply it. So that's what's kind of like a smart wireless charger. It's kind of like wireless charging 1.5, although technically there's no 1.5, but you get the point. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Simple. Comes with a charging cable. Does not come with a brick, right? So you're going to have a wall charger that at least supplies 2 amps of power. You can't have some rinky-dink charger that only puts out 1 amp of power. It's not sufficient. On here's the minimum charger you need is 2 amps, right? But most chargers now is 2 amps, at least 2 amps. So you should be fine. Just make sure you don't throw a cheap one on there. So simple plug-in right in the back, and look, it has air vents on here, so this does not get hot. I've been using this for the last 10 days, probably the last week or so. Does not get hot. It allows for ventilation, right? Most other wireless chargers you see on the market, they don't have those vents, and it's not just 1 or 2 vents. They got I haven't counted them, but I don't know. What do you think is on there? 40, 50, 60 vents? I mean, that's optimal charging conditions, right? So we'll go ahead and plug it in. USB Type-C. It does come with a cable, just not the brick. So when you plug it in, it should give you a light. Let me do it again. Ready? Let's see what it looks like. Watch this light. This is a light right down there. Did it light up, or it's in the bright light? It's in the bright light, so it's kind of hard to see, but this will light up and let you know that you're connected. Now, let me see if I can kind of bend it down so everybody can see. That's probably the best. Now let's make sure it's on and working. Yep. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a Nillkin case on here with the ring built inside. Now watch. Boom. It goes right on there just like that. Nice and sturdy, right? So let's throw this on there. Just like that. And then I have a charging app that'll tell us how much it's getting, right? So just like that. See how it kind of snapped into place? Fast wireless charging. It does activate fast wireless charging on your devices because it either defaults to wireless charging or fast wireless charging. This activates fast wireless charging. So let's go ahead and open up my app. And let's go ahead and see what we got, right? Now it takes a while. It takes a minute. So what the charger is doing with your device, you got to give it a minute, right? Because when you first slap it on there, your phone and your charger are both communicating. Your phone is telling the charger how much it will allow, and it's talking to the charger, and then your charger says, oh, okay, I can only allow so much, and then it will give you whatever your phone asks for, right? And here is the proof. So it is giving, it is charging at 4.084 volts, and it is charging at roughly, what is it? Just under 1.4 amps. That's milliamps, but that would equal to 1.2 amps, right? And that maximum that it received was 1.5 amps, right? So there we go. Got the fast wireless charging. Now, what if you want to put this ring on there? Let's try that out, right? Let's throw... This is the SnapGrip magnetic ring holder. Wow, does this thing come in handy with a big device like this? You're gonna need this. Comes in very, and I'm not a look. I don't use pop sockets. Kind of girly in my opinion, but it is what it is, right? If you're a guy and use pop sockets, I recommend you switch to this. This is awesome. I've actually been using this quite a bit, and again, I'm not a ring holder person, but this phone is huge. And it helps to hold on to, well, what any phone that you have, it'll help you hold on to it so you don't drop it, right? You got the Nillkin case, you got the Nillkin ring holder, you're going to be straight. Not going to drop it. But look at this construction. Now, this can be found on their website as well. Let me pull that up so we can check it out. Okay, I got it. So here is the Nillkin SnapGrip magnetic adhesive ring. What do you know? On their website, again, I'll put a link in the description box for this as well. You can get it in black, which I believe this is the black version, but you can also get it to match your phone, your case, what have you, whatever your style is. They also have a sky blue, which it looks like it's on this device right now, a green, which is over here on the left side, and a purple, which is up here on the top right. They're on sale in stock for $19.70. Again, Nillkin gets their stuff out quick, so don't hesitate to order from their website. I've ordered from their website many a times. Their screen protectors are the best in the business. I don't think I've said this publicly, and I do a lot of accessory reviews, and they didn't send me any screen protectors to review, but I've purchased them myself because I've known for a long time Nillkin makes the best glass screen protectors. How do I know this? Because they use real glass. I'm not going to get into it, but please check out their screen protectors. Actually, you know what? I'm going to order a couple here when I'm done recording this video myself and get them in and do a review on that. I love their screen protectors. I'm so confident in their screen protectors. So look out for that video. But let's get back to this ring. So this ring here, let me move this off. There we go. So it comes packaged like this, right? And when you first get it, you're like, okay. So this part, how you tell what side goes on, it's pretty obvious. This is going to go on the back of your phone. Now it has a rubber stopper on here, sort of like on the bottom of here. It's real grippy. Now they put that on there because some people just slap this on the back of their iPhone, right? iPhones have the MagSafe ring built into their device. So if you go rock no case, but do want a magnet ring holder, the SnapGrip magnet ring holder, this, when you push it down on the back of your device, it will not scratch up the back of your phone, right? But for Android users, you will need a Nillkin case with a magnet ring in there, and it's very sturdy. It snaps right into place. But let's look at this first. So it's nice construction, very well built, all metal. It's going to last you probably the life, well, not probably, it definitely will last you the life of the device and probably your next few devices, but it extends out this way, right? And then this one here can extend all the way in, all the way out, however you want to do it, right? But here's how I'll show you how I do it. So the ring, again, it just snaps into place just like that. And look how sturdy it is. Not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Look at that. So typically, now look, you can use it as a mount, as a stand as well, right? So you can see how it's set up like that on the back of the device. It'll land on the surface just like that. Or you can lay it on its side like that. So not only is it a ring holder, it's also a mount, if you want to call it that, or a stand, right? But let's put it on and use it for its intended purpose. And you can maneuver this around from side to side as well. See that? It goes 360 degrees. So you can maneuver it however you want your ring finger, or whatever finger you put in there, right? You can kind of maneuver it to get the very, very best grip on your device. So let's get it just right. That's about right for me. I think that'd be too high. I think my middle finger is perfect because that would be too low. Perfect. So you can use it just like this and carry it just like this. How cool is that? How cool is that screen wallpaper? So that will do it. So that is your SnapGrip magnetic ring holder. Side note before we get out of here, please be sure when you order Nillkin products, they're you're a successful company and a leader in your industry when you start to get when people and or companies start to fake your products, right? That means that, because why would they fake a bad product, right? It's common sense. Make sure when you buy Nillkin products, make sure you order them from directly from their website, nillkin.org, or it's on their Amazon store. I'm going to link their Amazon store as well as these two items to their website. But here's how you can tell: is by this little holographic sticker, right? So you scratch it for authenticity. So make sure the Nillkin products that you buy have the sticker on there. That means it's authentic Nillkin, because there's a lot of fakes out there. When you're a leader in your industry, people are going to try to copy everything you do. So there are fakes out there. Beware. And they're not worth it, folks. They are not worth it. They look similar, but the build quality, the materials they build it from are no good. No good. So make sure you get it from Nillkin's website or Amazon Nillkin store. And I will link, I'll link everything you need in the description box below. So that'll do it for the Nillkin sponsored video today. I have a lot of cases to review. They sent over a ton of cases. We got some more S23 Ultra cases to review, and also S24 Plus cases to review. So check out those videos that I have posted, and subscribe to the channel, and be on the lookout for all new Nillkin product reviews. For eSIM Studios, my name is Taylor Bell. Peace out.